Hey everyone, welcome back to Art of Cooking, where we turn everyday eats into fiesta-worthy feasts. Today, we are diving into the creamy, zesty world of guacamole, but with a glow up. We are adding olives for that briny pop and cucumber for extra crunch and refresh. If you have ever wondered why this green goodness has us all hooked, stick around. First off, let's time travel a bit. Guacamole originated with the Aztecs in ancient Mesoamerica, who created a sauce called guacamole from mashed avocados, chilies, and tomatoes. The Spanish encountered the dish in the 16th century, adapted it by adding ingredients like onions, lime, and cilantro, and spread it globally, while its popularity in American cuisine grew significantly in the late 20th century. But guacamole isn't just tasty, it's a health hero. Avocados pack more potassium than bananas, keeping your blood pressure in check. They support heart health and can lower bad cholesterol. Tomatoes bring lycopene for cancer-fighting power. Onions and jalapeno load up the antioxidants. Cilantro's got vitamin K for bone strength. Lime juice delivers a vitamin C punch for immunity. Cucumbers add hydrating crunch with silica for glowing skin. Alright, let's get chopping. You will need 3 ripe avocados, half a cup diced cucumber, half a cup chopped tomatoes, 1/4 cup finely diced red onions, 3 to 4 sliced jalapenos, seeded and minced, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1/4 cup chopped green olives, juice of 2 limes, and a few tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Alright, let's begin now. The first step is half your avocados, scoop away the pits. Squeeze in that lime juice right away. It not only flavors but prevents oxidation. Mash the avocados with a fork or potato masher until it's your vibe. Chunky for texture or smooth for silk. I like a mix. Fold in the goods. Start with the diced cucumber, tomatoes, onion, jalapeno, cilantro, and those chopped olives. Give it a gentle stir. Don't overmash. We want pops of flavor. Season with salt, pepper, and a lime squeeze. Drizzle in a few tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and stir for that extra velvety boost. Let it chill in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes to let the flavors party.
A few moments later.
Boom! Your olive cucumber guacamole glow up is ready. Serve with chips, on tacos, or even as a toast topper. Pairs killers with margaritas. There you have it, friends, guacamole with a fresh global twist that's as healthy as it is addictive. Drop in the comments, what's your guacamole hack? Origins blew your mind? Hit like, subscribe for more twists on classics. Until next time, keep it zesty.